This is a simple video about cipher blockchain mode. The cipher blockchain is invented in 1976 by Arsim, Meyer, Smith and Tuchman. Cipher blockchain is one of the many modes of block ciphering operation. In CBC, each plain text is encrypted with previous cipher text after the plain text has been through the exclusive OR function. To make each message unique, the first block will perform exclusive OR function with initialization vector. Initialization vector is a block of bits used to randomize the encryption. One of CBC characteristics is that it uses a chaining mechanism where a block of ciphertext depends on the preceding ciphertext blocks. Here is how the cipher block chaining encryption works. Plain text is broken down into blocks. Blocks which do not have enough bit will be padded with arbitrary value. First, it takes in a block of plain text which is an exclusive or with a randomized value from initialization vector. After that, it is moved into the block cipher to be encrypted with the key. Then the ciphertext is produced and will be used as the initialization vector for the next block of encryption to prevent from having the same ciphertext. Which then the same steps will be repeated until the process is done. This is how the exclusive OR function works during the process. Bits with the same value will have 0 as the final value, whereas bits with different value will have 1 as the final value. The process will be repeated so on and on until it is done. This is where the ciphertext will be decrypted. First, the ciphertext will be moved into the block cipher to be decrypted using the key. After that, it will be decoded into plain text with the randomized value from initialization vector, which the exclusive OR function is performed. As for the preceding blocks, the ciphertext will be decrypted inside the block cipher together with the key. After that, it is decoded into plain text using the ciphertext from previous blocks as initialization vector. The same process will be repeated until all ciphertext is decrypted. Identical ciphertext blocks will have same result if same plain text block is encrypted using both same key and initialization vector, and also with the same order. CBC has the advantage over electronic codebook, which prevents the pattern to be easily spotted. Ideally, the initialization vector should be different for any two message encrypted with same key. Conclusion: a single bit error in ciphertext block and rearrangement of order will cause the decryption to be unsuccessful.